Now, I'll talk you around all the visual tweaks in a moment, but let's just get straight to the power. Okay, Rimac's Nevera, 1,888 brake horsepower. Nevera R, 2,078 brake horsepower. Now let's just lay some context on those numbers. The fastest Ferrari ever around the Fiorano test track is the SF90 XX. And this has more power than two of them. And that makes for acceleration numbers that just defy belief. All your reference points are just blown away. 0 to 62 is the same as the standard car because it's limited by what tyres can put on the road, but it's still 1.81 seconds.